everyone, it's Gina with Peonies of America and Homestead. I just wanted to introduce you to a new tractor by Kubota. I called the place that I usually rent my tractors, which is Great Plains Rental in Davis, Oklahoma, and I was looking for a specific tractor that could help me clean horse stalls out. I had rented a Bobcat in the past, and it was just too big to maneuver in the small space that I had. So they hooked me up with this brand new tractor, so I'm going to do some demos with it. And also it comes with many accessories. I went ahead and got the auger along with the bucket, and I will be demoing the auger. We're going to dig some post holes to put up a horse lean-to, so I thought I would go ahead and demo how it works with this new tractor. So really excited about it, and we'll see how it goes.